Working this Currawong's feet and legs to soften the scale, and we're soaking them in very dilute Hippie Cleanse this time and in warm water. So we're just a few minutes into the process, and while we're doing that I'm just using abrasion to take off little bits and pieces that are coming loose. We're starting to get some softening here. Just dipping them in and out of the warm water and working on it, but just keeping it wet. He's now starting to grip better with his foot. He's got some movement in the toes, and we're just taking off the surface layers of Mite skin that are ready to flake with a little bit of help. It's a long drawn out process, but we are making progress.